Hello and thanks for joining us. As you know, Price Digest has recently migrated the Actractor subscription category to its sister brand, Equipment Watch. While we have shared several video tutorials here, and over here on how to navigate the new Equipment Watch environment, we realized that our customers had more questions that did not get answered in those tutorials. So in this tutorial, we will address those most frequently asked questions to help you get more familiar with the Equipment Watch online software. So let's go ahead to app.equipmentwatch.com. I suggest you bookmark it in your browser so that next time you know where to go. It's very important that you log in first before starting your first search, because once you're logged in, it's the shortest path to the search results. Let me show you what happens though if you don't log in first. Let's assume you're right here and you start your search right away, and I'll pick values and market data, and I will look for a John Deere 2305 traction model. I get the result that I'm looking for, and this is the model I need. However, over here in the gray area, I get all of these various data products with an upgrade option on all of them. So that tells me right there that the system did not recognize me as a user, as a subscribed user, and it's prompting me to upgrade to get access to these various data products for this particular model. So I will go ahead and sign in. For the former Price Digest customers, please make sure that your login credentials have not changed. So you will use your Price Digest login information, your email address and your password. And I have mine stored to streamline this process. So once logged in, let's go back to the search page. As a former Price Digest customer, you have access to values and market data, verification or serial number search, and specs portions of the Equipment Watch platform. However, please make sure that you know each one of these acts as a filter to the search that you initiate. So therefore, I don't want to choose all of them at the same time because it's going to narrow down the scope of my search. I will only use values and market data. So let me go ahead and search for the same model. However, this time I'm going to type the full manufacturer name and 2305 as my model. Please note I used capital J and capital D in my manufacturer name. So that search returned no results. And the reason for that is an aliasing issue. Aliasing is the process in which our system connects the search parameters entered by the user to how these models are stored in our database. Since John Deere with a capital J and capital D did not return any results, I suggest you enter the same model in all lowercase letters. Let's search, and here we go. The results are there. Also, you can enter the model as just Deere. This way, the system recognizes the category without needing to alias it, and the results that we get are exactly the results that I'm looking for. Again, in the gray area to my right, I get values and market data, verification, and specs as available categories. However, the other ones that are provided through the Equipment Watch subscription exclusively are grayed out, prompting me to upgrade, which you can do through Equipment Watch directly. So let's click on our model. And here's the model that I need. Let's explore the data tabs that are offered on this page. We have values and market data. We have serial number verification, where I can enter the serial number of the model to pull up the results. And I have specs. On the values and market data, you will see three abbreviations which might prompt questions: FMV, FLV, and OLV. If you see any unfamiliar terms within the return results, we prompt you to go to Help and search through the online dictionary. So for these specific terms, if I enter FMV, it returns fair market value as the translation of the abbreviation. For the sake of time savings here, please remember that FLV stands for forced liquidation value or auction values, like Price Digest had it. OLV stands for orderly liquidation value or wholesale value. And FMV, as we just found out, stands for fair market value or resale value. Scrolling further down on our screen, you will see recent individual transactions or sales that took place for a similar piece of equipment. This feature was previously unavailable in Price Digest and gives you a good idea of where the market is for similar models. Even further down, you can find out the MSRP, which is titled Original Price. This is what the vehicle used to sell, or the tractor used to sell for brand new. Another fantastic feature that Equipment Watch has to offer is the Compare Similar Models feature. So if you go back to the top of your page to where the model name and number is, you will see Compare Similar Models. This feature allows you to pick several tractor models that are similar to the one that you searched for and compare them side by side. This is a fantastic tool for the dealers because in a lot of cases, your buyers might arrive to a dealership unprepared to make the final choice and will want several points of comparison to get more comfort moving forward with the sale. As you can see now, I can compare these 3 different models against the long list of specs, options, and prices. This is a very useful tool. Lastly, let's go back to the model screen, and I'll just use the back button in my browser. And let's take a look at the popularity graph. It's this gray line with 5 circles on it. Assuming that the entire line presents 100% popularity, which is extremely popular, like this model over here that we searched for, each circle symbolizes 25%, with the first circle being extremely rare, second circle being 25%, being quite rare, 50% being average popularity, then quite popular, and extremely or very popular being at 100%. For this particular model, it is very, very popular. So this concludes our Ag Tractor Frequently Asked Questions tutorial video. We hope that you find this video helpful. For more Ag Tractor tutorials, please go to pricedigest.com/product guides or email your questions to Jeanette.Weber@pricedigest.com. Thank you.